Turn it off for a second. Whoa! Turn it off!
Jacob, you gotta be careful, you'll break it.
Okay, let me show you how to take off the fence. Let me show you.
Yeah, let Rachel help you.
Dang it! He scratched me!
Whoa, I'm landed!
He scratched me!
Ooh, I'm landing! I'm landed!
Okay, let me help you.
Ah! Wait for the start. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Slow it down, buddy. Can I
No! Special for me!
try? I think it's for all the family.
Mine. This is my special thing.
Because we all know where this came from.
Okay, slow down. Can I try taking off?
If this didn't last for another 5 minutes, I'd be impressed.